Hi everyone, I hope all are doing great. Today in our channel, that is Let's Explore Tech, we are going to explore a site which is going to be very helpful for students, because students many times when they see a very big answer to memorize, they are puzzled, confused. How am I going to memorize this big answer? So this site will help them to extract the summary of a very lengthy answer and then give them only the gist of it or summary of it, which is going to shorten the essay or the answer, and they can easily memorize the answer. So let us see how this can be done using a site. So for this, again, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to Google. I have typed here resumer.com, RESOOMER.com. So when you click over here, you get the first option, summarizer, to make an automatic text summary online. Just click on that. Now, this is the interface looks like this, and you have a place where you can copy and paste the text. Now, I have already stored in my desktop. I'm going to give Control A and then copy, right? Now I have, now I'll be back to this site, resume, and I'm going to copy the, now I have to click this resume button. Come on, let us see how this comes up. See, that was a 3-page essay and it is reduced to 23%. Now you can see this side, I'll select and share, right? I'll have to show you this. Yeah. So that essay has been shortened to this much only. So it is actually giving you the summary where you get the exact extract of the essay. Now you can memorize it easily. I hope this was beneficial to you, and thank you so much for watching.